I've seen this a lot lately, so let me show you the fix that actually worked. If you're looking to switch your number from Vodafone to Lebara, here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Check eligibility. Make sure your Vodafone account is active and that you are not in a contract that prevents you from porting your number. Step 2. Request a PSE code. Contact Vodafone to request a porting authorization code PSE. You can do this via the customer service number or through the Vodafone app. Step 3. Sign up with Lebara. Once you have your PSE code, visit a Lebara store or their website to sign up for a new plan. Provide your PSE code during the sign-up process. Step 4. Insert Lebara SIM. After signing up, you will receive your Lebara SIM card. Insert it into your phone and ensure it is activated. You may need to restart your phone. Step 5. Wait for porting. The porting process usually takes a few hours but can take up to 24 hours. You'll receive a notification when the porting is complete. Remember to keep your Vodafone SIM until the porting is confirmed. If you run into any issues, customer support from either provider can assist you. Good luck with your new Lebara service.